Ever wondered how giant pipelines snake across continents, powering nations silently? Let's uncover the world's longest pipelines. Number 11. Druzhba Pipeline. Starting in Russia and winding through Eastern Europe, the Druzhba Pipeline is a marvel of Soviet engineering. Spanning over 4,000 kilometers, it transports crude oil to countries like Belarus, Ukraine, and Germany. Constructed during the 1960s and 70s, this pipeline not only fuels industries but also shaped geopolitics, symbolizing energy cooperation and dependence across borders. Number 10. Trans-Saharan Gas Pipeline. Stretching from Nigeria's Niger Delta to Algeria and onward to Europe, the Trans-Saharan Gas Pipeline spans more than 4,000 kilometers through some of Africa's harshest terrain. This pipeline is a lifeline for natural gas export. Engineering teams had to overcome extreme temperatures, sandstorms, and security challenges, creating innovative solutions for remote monitoring and maintenance. Number 9. East Siberia Pacific Ocean Oil Pipeline. Cutting across the frozen expanse of Siberia, the East Siberia Pacific Ocean Oil Pipeline is Russia's bold statement to Asia. Stretching nearly 5,000 kilometers, it carries crude oil from Siberian fields to China and the Pacific coast. Engineers battled permafrost, seismic zones, and extreme cold to maintain a steady flow. Number 8. Great Man-Made River Pipeline. Libya. In the deserts of Libya, water is more precious than gold, and the Great Man-Made River Pipeline answers that need. Stretching over 4,000 kilometers, it carries groundwater from underground aquifers deep in the Sahara to cities along the coast. Built in phases over decades, it's the world's largest irrigation project, turning arid land into farmland and supplying water to millions. Number 7. Essar Steel Slurry Pipeline. In India, transporting iron ore efficiently is a challenge, and Essar Steel found a solution with its slurry pipeline. Stretching hundreds of kilometers, this pipeline moves iron ore mixed with water from mines to steel plants. By using a slurry instead of trucks or trains, Essar minimized environmental impact, cut costs, and sped up production. Number 6. Snowy Mountains Scheme Pipeline. In the heart of Australia, the Snowy Mountains Scheme is a triumph of hydroelectric engineering. Water is channeled through over 225 kilometers of tunnels, pipelines, and aqueducts across rugged mountains to generate electricity and irrigate farmland. Completed in the mid-20th century, it was one of the largest engineering projects of its time, transforming the landscape and local economy. Number 5. Baku-Tbilisi-Ceyhan Pipeline. Stretching over 1,700 kilometers from Azerbaijan's oil fields through Georgia to Turkey's Mediterranean coast, the Baku-Tbilisi-Ceyhan Pipeline is a vital energy corridor. Built to bypass politically sensitive regions, it connects landlocked oil reserves to global markets. Traversing mountains, rivers, and seismic zones, construction required precision engineering and innovative safety measures. Number 4. Urengoy-Pomeri-Uzhhorod Pipeline. Originating in Siberia's massive gas fields, the Urengoy-Pomeri-Uzhhorod Pipeline stretches thousands of kilometers into Europe, delivering natural gas to multiple nations. Launched during the 1987, it was a strategic lifeline for energy-hungry regions. Crossing frozen tundra, dense forests, and remote terrains, engineers faced extreme weather and logistical hurdles. The pipeline's reliability became critical for Europe's winter energy security. Number 3. California Aqueduct Pipeline. Water is life, and the California Aqueduct Pipeline delivers it across more than 700 kilometers of arid landscapes. Connecting Northern California's reservoirs to the parched south, it supports agriculture, cities, and communities. Engineers carved channels through mountains, built pumping stations, and managed complex water flow to meet growing demands. Number 2. Keystone Pipeline. The Keystone Pipeline stretches over 4,300 kilometers, transporting crude oil from Canada to refineries in the United States. It's a backbone of North American energy infrastructure, designed to move vast quantities efficiently. Constructed across prairies, rivers, and sensitive ecological zones, it required careful planning, environmental safeguards, and innovative technology. Number 1. Colonial Pipeline. Running more than 5,500 kilometers from the Gulf Coast to the eastern seaboard, the Colonial Pipeline is the lifeline of America's fuel supply. Carrying gasoline, diesel, and jet fuel, it supports millions of commuters, businesses, and airlines daily. Built decades ago, it spans diverse landscapes from swamps and forests to urban areas, demanding constant maintenance and monitoring. So, that's for today. See you next time. Goodbye.